Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to limit discounts 8% off up to 75 on your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discount Capital Limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box so you can check it out. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel. Then we can search for Next Discounts app here. Then click on create new discount. Then enter the discount title as flat 8% off. And click on discount code and we can enter the same discount title as discount code. And click on percentage and enter the discount in percentage and enter the capping amount as 75. And select discount applies to all products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can also select that. And for customer eligibility, select all customers, then save your changes. So now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your online store and go to catalog. Add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Now we will enter the test address here. And we will enter the discount code here. So the 8% of 5,000 is 400, but here you can see the total savings is 75 only. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to limit discounts 8% off up to 75 on your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.